ကဲဒါလေးဖတ်ကြည့်မယ်နော် My name is Tanzo. I am from Myanmar. I am 30 years old. I'm a teacher. I live in Yangon. My full name is Tanzo Ao. I was born in Myanmar. I am married. I am single. I work as an English teacher. I like meeting new people. B1 level ရောက်သွားပြီနည်းနည်းလေးမြင့်လာပြီဗောနော်ဖတ်ကြည့်မယ် I come from Myanmar but I am currently working in Thailand. I have several years of experience in teaching English. I enjoy teaching students from different backgrounds. In my free time, I like reading and improving my English skill. My teaching skill. I'm interested in online teaching opportunities. I'm a dedicated English teacher with experience in hotel and hospitality English. I have worked with both local and international students. My goal is to become a professional online English teacher in the near future. I am confident in communicating with learners at different proficiency levels. I believe my skills and experience make me a suitable candidate for this position. Okay, နောက်ကနေလိုက်ဖတ်ကြည့်ကြနော်